1. What was the significance of the 10th of May 1994 in South Africa? The 10th of May 1994 was the day when Nelson Mandela became the first black president of South Africa. It marked the end of 300 years of white rule and the beginning of democracy. It was a proud day when freedom finally came to all citizens. 2. What does apartheid mean? Apartheid was a system of racial separation and discrimination in South Africa. White people had all power and rights, while black people suffered injustice. It divided people on the basis of skin color and caused great suffering. 3. Why was Nelson Mandela imprisoned for many years? Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for about 30 years because he protested against apartheid. He fought for equality, justice, and human rights. His courage and sacrifice became a symbol of freedom for all. 4. What qualities made Nelson Mandela a great leader? He was brave, humble, patient, and full of forgiveness. He believed in peace, equality, and the power of love. His honesty and sacrifice made him respected worldwide. 5. What was Mandela's view on freedom? Mandela believed that true freedom means living with dignity and respecting others' rights. He wanted all people to be free from fear and discrimination. Freedom, to him, was the right of every human being. 6. What twin obligations does Mandela mention in his speech? Mandela mentioned two main duties, one to his family and one to his country. He said everyone must care for both family love and national duty. 7. How did Mandela define courage? Mandela said courage is not the absence of fear but the victory over it. A brave person is one who conquers fear and stands for truth and justice. 8. What does Mandela say about love and hate? Mandela believed that no one is born hating another person. People learn to hate, but love comes naturally to the human heart. Love is stronger than hate and can bring peace. 9. What change came in South Africa after freedom? Racial discrimination ended and everyone got equal rights. A democratic government was formed with Nelson Mandela as president. It was a new beginning for peace and unity. 10. What is the main lesson of the chapter, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom? The lesson teaches the value of freedom, equality, and forgiveness. It inspires us to stand against injustice and live with love and peace. 11. Which right did Nelson Mandela fight for? Nelson Mandela fought for the right to freedom, equality, and human dignity. He wanted every person, regardless of color, to live with justice and respect. His struggle was to end apartheid and bring equal rights to all. 12. Who were present at the inauguration ceremony? Many world leaders and political figures attended the ceremony. They came to celebrate South Africa's freedom and support its new democracy. 13. What did Mandela feel about the past rulers of South Africa? He forgave them for their cruelty and injustice. He believed revenge would destroy peace and unity. Forgiveness, he said, was the best way to rebuild the nation. 14. What was the main idea behind Mandela's speech? Mandela spoke about unity, equality, and human rights. He wanted to create a country where all people live freely and equally. 15. What were the colors of the new South African flag and what did they mean? The new flag had 6 colors: black, green, yellow, white, blue, and red. It represented the unity of all races and the birth of a new nation. 16. What did Mandela say about his country's real wealth? He said South Africa's real wealth was not its minerals or gold. Its true wealth was its people, brave, generous, and full of kindness.